Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today's video would be a lip swatch video, and in today's video I would be swatching all the Sugar Cosmetic lipsticks that I have in my collection. I have all the lipsticks that I have from Sugar Cosmetics in this particular tray, and today I would be swatching all these lip colors with you guys. I have done a separate individual shorts video swatching a couple of these, but today I would again be swatching all of them so that you can actually see and compare how all of them look on my skin tone. Now, because there are a lot of lipsticks to swatch, without wasting any time, we will just quickly jump onto the swatches. For my first section of swatches, I would be swatching these Sugar Metal lipsticks, mainly because these are bullet lipsticks and they are really easy to remove. There are 10 colors available in this particular collection, and each lipstick retails for 1099 rupees. The name of all the shades that I would be swatching in this video would be mentioned on the screen as I'll be swatching them. So let's get into the swatches of these metal matte lipsticks. So these were the three lipsticks that I have from Sugar Metal Matte Lipstick collection. I love the luxurious packaging of these lipsticks, and I do like the fact that the lid of these lipsticks have a magnetic closure. I love all the shades that I have, and for a matte lipsticks, these lipsticks are very creamy yet very matte. The price point of these lipsticks might seem little on the higher side, but considering the quality and the way these lipsticks look on me, I personally do not mind paying that much for these lipsticks. Now the next lipstick that I have from Sugar Cosmetics is one of their new launches, and it is from their Wonder Woman collection. Now I just have one of these lipsticks, and I received this in my April fab bag. If you haven't seen that video, I would be linking the review of my April fab bag in the description box down below. The shade I have in this is 08 World Ruler, and now I'll just quickly swatch this one for you guys. For a 599 rupees lipstick, I am in love with the formula and the shade of this lipstick, and after using this, I might buy a few more from the collection. The next set of lipsticks that I have from Sugar Cosmetics is their Suede Secret Matte Lip Colors. These lipsticks were available in 20 color options, and they retail for 799 rupees each. If you'll currently search for these lipsticks, only 3 or 4 shades are available in the collection. I guess maybe Sugar Cosmetics is discontinuing these particular lipsticks. I am not sure about them, but I do like the formula on these lipsticks. I do like the color selection of these lipsticks that I have with me, but this is not one of my favorite formulas from Sugar Cosmetics. I used to like these when I initially bought them, but now I do have way better formulas as compared to this one, and so I am not a fan of these anymore. The next set of lipsticks that I have from Sugar Cosmetics is their metal liquid lipsticks, and these lipsticks are available in 12 different color options, and each retail for 1199 rupees. I have 5 shades out of the 12 shades that are available in the collection, and these particular ones are my recent most loved formula from Sugar Cosmetics. I not only love the luxurious packaging of these lipsticks, but I also like how these lipsticks look on my skin tone and how they make my lips feel. Now the next set of lipstick that I have from Sugar Cosmetics is the new launch liquid lipstick from Wonder Woman collection. These lipsticks retail for 6.99 rupees each, and I have 2 lipsticks from the collection. I would not be swatching these lipstick right now. I have already done swatch videos on both of these colors, so I would just insert that clip right now and give my lips a little break for 2 minutes. Now the next and the final set of lipsticks that I have from Sugar Cosmetics are their Smudge Me Not liquid lipsticks. These liquid lipsticks are available in, I guess, more than 40 color options, and the full size retails for 4.99 rupees. I have 4 colors from the collection and all 4 of them are mini sized, and I paid 7.99 rupees for all 4 of them. These liquid lipsticks are the most loved liquid lipsticks by Sugar Cosmetics because one, they are very affordable. Second, they are very long lasting. They are really hard to remove, and that is the reason I have kept these lipsticks for the end. I am exactly not a fan of these lipsticks. I do like the colors and the staying power of these lipsticks, but they are a little drying on me, and that is the reason I just have 4 shades from the collection. So these were all the Sugar Cosmetic lipsticks that I had in my collection. If you are interested in seeing a full review on any of these particular lipsticks or any of these particular collections, then do let me know in the comment section down below. And if you are interested in seeing more such videos on my channel, then do not forget to subscribe to my channel and ring the notification bell down below so that you get notified whenever I upload a new video. Today is 1st of June and it is a Tuesday. Tuesday is not a part of my uploading schedule, but for the month of June, I would try and upload a video each single day of the month for the month of June. So if you are interested in seeing lots of more videos on my channel, then do not forget to subscribe to my channel and ring the notification bell down below so that you get notified whenever I upload a new video. That's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching my video. Namaste.